Sarah here, reporting on Alameda Engineering, a diamond-certified foundation contractor serving homeowners throughout the Bay Area. Founded in 1989 by Lance Capilla, the company specializes in drainage systems, retaining walls, and foundation repairs. With more than 3 decades of experience, Mr. Capilla and his team are known for their technical skill, reliable communication, and ability to solve complex engineering challenges. Alameda Engineering takes a hands-on approach to its clients' foundation projects. Mr. Capilla personally oversees every job, drawing on his industry expertise to assess each site and ensure the work is being completed to the highest standards. The company stays small by design, prioritizing quality over volume and maintaining a trusted crew that has been together for years. Customer satisfaction is the foundation of Alameda Engineering's success. The company's technicians work hard to leave every job site cleaner than they found it and deliver durable, long-term solutions that lead to referrals and repeat business. As Mr. Capilla says, we treat each home like it's our own, because that's the kind of service we'd want too.